News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Director of Lighthouses and Lightships Jamnagar, Gujarat, Farakka Barrage Project, District Murshidabad, West Bengal, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, IREL India Limited, Central Institute of Fisheries, Nautical and Engineering Training, Cochin, Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited, Tata Institute of Social Sciences and Department of Fisheries. Applications are invited from eligible Indian citizens for filling up 2 posts of Technician Electronics in Jamnagar Directorate by the Director of Lighthouses and Lightships, Jamnagar, Gujarat. Last date and time for receipt of applications is 29th October 2021 at 1700 hours. In respect of Northeastern region, that is Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Tripura, Sikkim, Ladakh Division of Jammu and Kashmir State, Lahaul and Spiti District of Pangi Subdivision of Chamba District of Himachal Pradesh, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands, the last date will be 7 days more than from the closing date. Applications received after the last date and time will not be entertained. Any addendum or corrigendum regarding this advertisement will be published in departmental website www.dgll.gov.in only, and it shall not be published in Employment News or any other media. Applications are invited for filling up of 2 posts of Section Officer by deputation, including short-term contract, in the Farakka Barrage Project, District Murshidabad, West Bengal, a subordinate office under the administrative control of Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation. Applications with full particulars should reach the concerned authority within 60 days from the date of issue of this circular or publication of this advertisement in Employment News, whichever is later. Details of advertisement and the application forms can be downloaded from the Ministry's website mowr.gov.in. Indian Oil Corporation Limited (IOCL) is a diversified integrated energy major with presence in oil, gas, petrochemicals and alternative energy sources. Empowered with the Maharatna status, the organization renders overriding prominence to the energy needs of the country and aspires to be the energy of India and a globally admired company. To fuel its future growth, Indian Oil invites applications from bright, young and energetic persons of Indian nationality for selection to various posts for its refineries or petrochemical units. Candidates meeting the prescribed eligibility criteria for a post may visit the website www.iocl.com. The link for online application will remain open till 12th October 2021. IREL India Limited is a Mini Ratna Category 1 Central Public Sector undertaking under the administrative control of Department of Atomic Energy, having its corporate office at Mumbai. IREL invites applications through online mode from eligible, talented, energetic and dynamic Indian nationals for the following post: regular, 7 posts of graduate trainee finance, 6 posts of graduate trainee HR, 18 posts of diploma trainee technical, mining or chemical or mechanical or electrical or civil, 1 post of junior supervisor Rajbhasha, 2 posts of personal secretary and 20 posts of tradesman trainee ITI, fitter or electrician or attendant operator chemical plant. Last date for submission of online application is 5th October 2021. Interested candidates may visit career section of IREL website www.irel.co.in for detailed advertisement mentioning the qualifying requirements, other terms and conditions or stipulations, selection procedure, remuneration, place of posting, how to apply or general conditions and instructions, etc. 1 post of Instructor Electronics in Central Institute of Fisheries, Nautical and Engineering Training, CIFNET, Cochin, is proposed to be filled on deputation, including short-term contract from amongst the officers under the central government or state governments or union territories or universities or recognized research institutions or public sector undertakings or semi-government or autonomous or statutory organizations. The place of posting will be at Central Institute of Fisheries, Nautical and Engineering Training Unit, Visakhapatnam, but likely to be posted in any of the 3 centers of CIFNet as per office requirement. Applications from eligible officers may be forwarded to the concerned authority within a period of 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited, SPMCIL, a Schedule A Mini Ratna Category 1 Central Public Sector Enterprise wholly owned by Government of India, started functioning as a corporatized entity with effect from 13th January 2006. The objective and the business of the company is designing, manufacturing security papers, printing currency and banknotes, passports, non-judicial stamp papers, postage stamps and minting of the coins. SPMCIL is under the administrative control of the Department of Economic Affairs, Ministry of Finance. The company is looking forward to recruit high-caliber and talented personnel in the organization as Secretarial Assistant for Official Language Department and Junior Office Assistant for its Corporate Office, New Delhi, and accordingly invites applications for the following posts: 1 post of Secretarial Assistant and 3 posts of Junior Office Assistant. Applications must be submitted through online mode only and no other mode of application will be accepted. For detailed instructions relating to the application form and how the application is to be submitted or payment is to be made, the candidates may go to the website www.spmcil.com. Closing date for applying online is 27th October 2021 till 5:30 p.m. Tata Institute of Social Sciences, TISS, invites online applications for the following non-teaching positions: 4 posts of Deputy Registrar, 1 post of Assistant Manager Publications, 1 post of System Analyst cum Programmer, 1 post of Health Officer, 1 post of Assistant Engineer, 4 posts of Section Officer, 1 post of Section Officer Dining Hall, 1 post of Programmer, 1 post of Senior Technical Assistant SM and CS, 1 post of Stenographer, and 10 posts of Lower Division Clerk. Eligible candidates are requested to apply by 3rd October 2021 positively. For more details, please visit the Institute website www.tiss.edu. Department of Fisheries, Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying invites applications for the following posts: 1 post of Deputy Commissioner Fisheries on deputation including short-term contract. For eligibility criteria, that is educational qualification, experience, biodata pro forma, etc., the applicants are advised to refer to the official website of this department, www.dof.gov.in. The post has already been advertised in Employment News dated 26th June to 2nd July 2021. Applications for the post complete in all respects should be forwarded through proper channel to the concerned authority within 3 weeks from the date of publication of this advertisement, that is 26th June to 2nd July 2021. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.